In today's episode of our Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire design workflow on how I created this creative social media product poster using Adobe Photoshop. So the first thing I'm going to do is to set up our canvas size, right? So I'm going to call this product poster, all right? Social media product poster. And then set my width to 4.5 and then my height to 5. And then leave everything as it is and then click on the create button. Now the first thing you need to do is to head over to your view tab right here and then click on new guide and then change the position from whatever position you have there to 20%. All right, and then click on OK. Go back again, view, new guide, and then change it to 50%. Click on OK, and then another one, view, new guide, then you change it to 80%. All right, then click on OK. All right, now let's go back again to view, new guide, and then this time around toggle the horizontal orientation, right? Then I'm going to change the position to 10%, like that. Click on OK, and view again, new guide, then 20%. Click on OK, and then another view, new guide, and then change this to 30%. All right, click on OK, and then lastly you go to view, click on new guide, and then change this to 70%. Yeah, click on OK. Now that we have all our guides in place, I'm going to click on this guy right here to create a new layer, and then go to my shape tools and then select the rectangle tool. All right, then I'm going to draw the rectangle to this side like that. I'm going to position it well, and I'm going to press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate and then move it to the right side like this. Awesome. So I'm going to rename the first one as background left. All right, so we don't get confused. Then rename the duplicate as background right. Awesome. Now I'm going to select the background left and then go over to my effects and then click on color overlay. All right, so this is the color code that we are using. We have 3A0344. Then click on OK, click on OK, and then come to the the background right layer, which is this one right here. Go to effects, click on the color overlay, and this time around we are using the same color, but then we are going to add a bit of black to it, so something like this is okay for me. So we have 0D000F, then click on OK, click on OK. Now I'm going to create a new layer, right, and then select my pen tool, and I'm going to draw a straight line from here. So click, stand here and then make a click, and then come here and make another click to create an anchor point, and then come here to make another click, then come here to make another click, then finally you close it here like that, right? So I'm going to change the color, so let's sample the color right here. So we have 0900A, click on OK. All right, so the next I'm going to do is to head over to my view and then click on the new guide and then select the horizontal orientation and change this to 90%, right? I forgot to add another this thing. Then I'm going to create a new layer and I select my pen tool. Then I'm going to stand here to make a click, and then come here to make another click, then come here to make a click. Then I'm going to close it from this side like that. All right, so I'm going to maintain the color like that, then create a new layer, and then just like we did for this side, select the pen tool and then come here and then make a click, come here, make another click, then come here and make another click, and then finally come here to make another click, and you close it from this side like that. Awesome. So I'm going to change the color for this side, right? Let me sample this one, but I'm going to move it to the top like this. So I think this is quite okay for me. I'm going to click on OK. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get rid of all the guides that we set. So go to your view and then click on the clear canvas guides. All right, now I'm going to select all the shapes that we drew with the pen tool. Then I'm going to adjust it this way and put it right in the middle. Okay, I think this is okay, right? click on this guy. I'm going to select the background left, which is this guy. Right click on it and then click on the rasterized layer style. Grab my brush tool, yeah, then I'm going to change my foreground color to this color right here. Click on OK, then I'm going to apply it to this side like this. All right, okay, so I think this is okay for me. Great. Now I'm going to select this one right here, right, which is the shape 1. Right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Create a new layer on top of that, then right click on the new layer and then click on create clipping mask. Now that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab my brush tool and then select my foreground color. Then I'm going to sample the color right here, but then move it to the top a little bit. So this color is okay for me. We have 8B03A3. Click on OK, and I'm going to apply it to this side like that. Right, awesome. Now I'm going to select this guy right here, yeah, right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Click on this guy to create a new layer on top of that. Right click on it and then click on create clipping mask. Now I'm going to select my brush tool and then come to my foreground color, but I'm going to sample the color right here, but then bring it to the bottom a little like this, yeah, and I'm going to apply it to this side like that. Okay, and the next I'm going to do to select this guy right here, which is this one. Right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Create a new layer on top of that. Right click on it and then click on create clipping mask. All right, then I'm going to change the foreground color. I'm going to sample this color right here. Click on OK, grab my brush tool, then apply it to this side like that. Okay, so I think this is great for me. Now the next I'm going to do is to select this guy, which is the background right click on it and then click on the rasterized layer style. Create a new layer on top of that. Right click on the new layer and then click on create clipping mask. Right, now come to a foreground color and then change it to black. All right, then grab your brush tool, then I'm going to apply it to this side like that, and then this side as well. Great. Now let's go back to this guy right here, which is the shape 3, right, and then let's select the layer that we clip masked. Select that layer and then change your foreground color, sample the color right here, and then let me move it to the top so you can create some light tones there. All right, grab my brush tool, then I'm going to apply it to this side. Let me move it to the top a little, right, so okay, I think this is okay for me. And the next I'm going to do is to head over to my resource files and then drag and drop this image right here to my Photoshop like that. I'm going to decrease the size and then keep it right here. Click on this guy and I'm going to change the blending mode from normal to hard lights. So you have hard lights right here like that. Head over to your filter tab and then click on blur. Go to Gaussian blur. Then I'm going to give it a blur of let me use 30 and see. Okay, so 30 is great. Now I'm going to increase the size. Awesome. I'm going to press on Ctrl+J on my keyboard and then move it to this side like that. Great. Now the next I'm going to do is to head over to my resource files and then drag and drop this ribbon image right here to my Photoshop. Click on this guy. I'm going to right click on it and then click on rasterize. Head over to my eraser tool and then select the magic eraser, right? Then let's get rid of the background just like that. Now I'm just going to rotate it like this, keep it right here. So let me just adjust it well. Now I'm going to click on this guy and then change the blending option from normal to divide. So we have divide here, click on it. Great. All right, now the next I'm going to do is to add my first text. So grab your type tool, yeah, then draw a text box like this. I'm going to change the color to white and I'm going to adjust it quickly. Then we continue from there. Great. Now I'm going to make a duplicate. So Ctrl+J, then drag it down here like this. Then I'm going to adjust it like that. All right. Then keep it right here. Then add my next text. So we have, let me increase the size to 14. Now we have elegant. All right. Then I'm going to just make adjustments quickly and keep it right here like that. Awesome. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my resource files, and then mind you, all the resources I am using are right available in the Ultimate Graphic Design Resource Pack. So if you want these resources, then I'm going to leave the link to the Ultimate Graphic Design Resource Pack in the description of the video, and also pin the link in the comment section as well. Right, then I'm going to drag and drop this image right here. Great. Decrease the size like this and then put it right here like that. Click on this guy. Now what I'm going to do is to head over to my image tab, click on adjustment, and then click on hue and saturation. Then I'm going to change the color of the perfume to the color that I want. So let me see, let me increase the saturation. Okay, so I think I'll let you this color right here. Click on OK, and the next I'm going to do is head over to my FX, then click on drop shadow. Right, so we are going to use the opacity. You have to set it to 47, and then your angle you set it to 145 like that, and then the distance you keep it at 137, and then you keep your spread at 13, and then your size you're going to keep it at 68, and then leave everything as it is, and then click on OK. Now what you're going to do is to right click on the image and then click on rasterize layer. All right, now I'm going to decrease the opacity like that all the way down, and then grab my polygonal lasso tool. Right, then I'm going to cut this part like that. You need to be careful. All right, then on your keyboard press on the delete key and then press on Ctrl+D to deselect, and I'm going to increase the opacity back to 100%, and there we have our perfume sitting right there. And there we have our beautiful social media product poster. All right, let me know what you think about this particular poster in the comment section below. If you have not joined my Telegram community, then I'm also going to leave the link in the description of this video so that you can join. Until I come your way with another Photoshop tutorial, I'm out.